So if you're someone who thinks that phones are very boring, white color, black color, silver color, and it's all just slabs of screens and camera, you're wrong, because in the market now, there's a new player called the CMF Phone 2 Pro. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and if you have been following the news from Nothing, you know that last year they actually launched a brand called CMF, which is basically a sub-brand, and they sell lower budget, more affordable phones. This is actually the second generation. Last year it was called the CMF Phone 1. This is the Phone 2 Pro. Now CMF is all about being fun and also being outstanding. So their phones have always been very modular. So if you have seen the first one, it was so modular that you can actually remove the back case and install things you like, for example, a phone stand, lanyard, and stuff like that. But with the Phone 2 Pro, they kind of sacrificed the modularity a little bit because they want to put IP rating now and they want to make it thinner. And now it is only 7.8 mm thin at only 185 grams. Despite sacrificing modularity, at the bottom here, there is still the screw, the signature screw that we can take out and replace with a lanyard. And you might be curious and ask, if this is the Phone 2 Pro, where is the Phone 2? The basic version, right? Don't have. This is the only version that they launched, and they call it Pro because now they have 3 cameras at the back. 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel zoom, and also an 8 megapixel ultra wide. And on the front, there's a selfie camera and it's 16 megapixel. Being a budget and affordable phone, this thing is quite interesting because apart from the pro cameras at the back, it can also shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. Well, photo quality wise, if you ask me, I would say it's very good for a phone at this price range, okay? Let me tell you the price first. This one is about 1,000 ringgit or 1,100 ringgit, around there. So for this price range, the camera is outperforming what you are paying for. Now, just like the Nothing Phone 3A, the CMF Phone 2 Pro also has this new essential key. Basically, it's their AI kind of space, right? And it's called the essential space, whereby you can trigger it to capture your ideas. For example, if you have an idea that you want to voice out, you can record the voice recording, or if you want to take a screenshot, just press it and it will be saved in your essential key. And it's so easy to access all these things that you have collected by just tapping this thing twice. Now, as I mentioned just now, this phone is so thin and so light, yet it has a very big screen, okay? So this thing has a 6.77-inch OLED display with very thin borders. So for a budget phone like this, I think it is very, very well done. Now, battery-wise, it's also not lacking, okay, for a phone that is around 1,000 ringgit. This thing has big 5,000 mAh battery and also 33-watt fast charging. So as a conclusion, I feel that if you're looking for a budget Android phone that is super stylish, very well done, great camera, big screen, this is definitely my recommendation. There's no other phone that can actually beat what you can get from the CMF Phone 2 Pro. So that is all. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!